this one. Not sure why I didn't do that. I didn't do the scrolly thing either. But the ones that I do know that it does not apply for are the Uverse ones. Now notice this isn't like really animating, but that's only used for the slideshow, which I am not sure if I play it, it'll stop the recording. But I do know that if you play a slideshow on this, it'll show SpongeBob hitting Squidward with his cane over and over again. So that's pretty much how you make an emergency alert system scrolling message. And I hope you enjoy this video. This is Numboy123 signing off.